For generations, this valley was their world, a cradle for an ancient clan. But the Great Mother is changing. The rains have forgotten this land. The life-giving river is now only a memory. They feel it long before they understand. Instinct whispers a terrible warning. The wind carries a new scent. Unfamiliar, unsettling. A scent of distant water and danger. Beyond the familiar lies the unknown, a world of promise. A journey of 1,000 generations begins with a single, crucial step. On the open grasslands, survival belongs to the patient and the unseen. But today, they are cautious. The grass whispers of something waiting. A predator longer than 3 men. A giant constrictor, using stillness as its weapon. It senses heat through specialized pits. To it, the pack is not a threat. They are an opportunity. The pack knows the scent. They have lost members to this giant before. One mistake, one step too far, and the grasslands will claim another life. The ambush is sprung. The snake has its prey. The battle for survival has only begun. A young hyena is caught. Every second brings it closer to death. The snake's constriction is but cave hyenas are no ordinary scavengers. Their social bonds are fierce. They will not abandon their own. Attack! Serpent counters. A living weapon. Even wounded, every part can strike. Only one tactic can force a release. Threaten the predator's head. The serpent must choose, keep its prey, or survive the pack. pack has saved one of its own. But the serpent is not defeated, and it is not done with this terror. The snake has retreated. But for the hyenas, this is not over. They can still smell it. The predator that dared strike their own. The scout tracks the scent, unaware of the ancient predator waiting in the shadows. Territory means survival, and the serpent strikes first. But cave hyenas learn fast. Now, they know the serpent's tactics. They attack from 3 sides, forcing it to split its defenses. One blow from a serpent this size can shatter bone. Neither predator will yield. This war for territory has only begun. After hours of battle, both are exhausted. But neither predator can walk away. This territory is life itself. Every kill determines who survives the night. The matriarch organizes the pack one last time. Survival demands unity. It demands courage. Its strength is fading. It bets everything on one decisive strike. Strength alone cannot defeat a pack. The serpent is overwhelmed from all sides. Its final defense is raw force. Dawn breaks over the aftermath. The land itself bears the scars. The serpent retreats into the stones, wounded but alive and desperate. In shadows, it regathers strength. Already, the scavengers gather. In this world, nothing is wasted. But dawn brings more than scavengers. A new presence, drawn to blood. Another predator enters the territory. The next